Step aboard the incredible Allure of the Seas, one of the most iconic ships ever built by Royal Caribbean International. Launched in 2010 as part of the groundbreaking Oasis class, this ship redefined what a cruise experience could be, introducing the concept of neighborhoods at sea and delivering the feel of a floating city. Once the largest cruise ship in the world, Allure of the Seas continues to impress with its massive scale, innovative design, and endless options for entertainment, dining, and relaxation. Whether it's your first cruise or your 10th, this ship offers something for everyone, from thrilling activities to quiet, scenic escapes. Our walking tour begins at the aft of the ship, where you're greeted by stunning ocean views behind the iconic AquaTheater. From here, you can watch the ship's wake stretch endlessly into the horizon, a perfect cinematic starting point. As we move forward, you'll see the dramatic structure of the AquaTheater itself, known for its high diving shows and acrobatic performances, and just above it, the towering rock climbing walls that challenge guests to scale high above the sea. This area alone showcases the ship's blend of adventure and spectacle. Continuing into the vibrant Boardwalk neighborhood, the atmosphere completely transforms into a lively, seaside-inspired space filled with energy. You'll pass by casual dining spots, unique shops, and fan-favorite locations like Playmakers Sports Bar and Arcade, where guests gather to watch games and enjoy classic comfort food. At the heart of it all is the beautifully crafted carousel, bringing a nostalgic charm that's perfect for families and a great visual highlight for any visit. The Boardwalk perfectly captures the fun, playful side of the ship. From there, we make our way into the Royal Promenade, the bustling main street of the ship. This is where the energy peaks, lined with shops, cafés, and restaurants. It's always alive with activity. We'll step inside some of these spots, giving you a closer look at the shopping experience, from duty-free stores to souvenir shops, as well as casual dining options where you can grab everything from coffee and pastries to late-night pizza. The promenade is also home to live performances, pop-up events, and even parades, making it one of the most dynamic areas on board. As we continue, we enter the entertainment place, where the ship truly comes alive at night. Here, you'll pass by venues like Blaze, a high-energy nightclub, Studio B, an impressive ice skating rink that hosts spectacular shows, and the art gallery, showcasing a range of pieces from classic to contemporary. This section of the ship is designed for immersive experiences, whether you're enjoying live performances, music, or visual art. Finally, we make our way past the casino, where the atmosphere shifts into a lively Vegas-style setting filled with lights, sounds, and excitement. It's a hub for nightlife and one of the most active spots on board in the evening, offering everything from slot machines to table games. If you're planning a cruise or just curious about what life is like on one of the world's most famous ships, this walking tour will give you a detailed look at what to expect from start to finish. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more walking tours and travel experiences like this.
Yeah. Your next word server, don't need to worry about this anymore. You have for the when you
Thanks so much for joining me on this walking tour of the Allure of the Seas. I really appreciate your time and support. It means a lot. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more walking tours and travel content. I'll see you in the next one.